Yeah, niggas thought a nigga was down bad, nigga. The gun bar king, nigga. Migo slime, nigga. Hitman. Elite shit, nigga.
Every time I turn around, I gotta go purchase another casket for a nigga. Cincinnati, Ohio, November to remember. Sneezey Bo, Hyena, Lord, versus Migo slime.
Make some noise.
It's not a gimmick, my stock will finish with high percentage. That check up till it draw on them like Dr. Business. I don't get how they politicking about my position. I'm taking flights, they barely whipping and no suspension. It's kinda sad, they taking shots, ain't watch the limit. Fits fly, put them on lean, nigga, now drop the chicken. This light work, I guarantee you more again. Funeral with closed box and all mans. History for the black, I got a strong cancer. Guarantee Morgan, they gas down, I'm on 10. Praying on my downfall, ain't looking at the
Fuck this mic. This is doing too much to me. You already know what it is, your boy. November to Remember, Volume 2, make some noise. My right hand side, I got Sneezey Bo. Left hand side, we got Migo Slime. Call it in the air.
Brand new knife. Equipped on the coat. Something telling me I can slit your throat. You been done. Niggas already been done in Berg inbox trying to tell me about his approach. Try to tell him how this would go. You ain't even worthy and you really up here like you about to hang with Birdie. Somebody tell me, is it a joke? I told the staff members, don't come at me like we in the old days and y'all used to bully Bo's broke days. They said, what about Migo? I'm like, buenos noches, pistol whip. Pistol whip to death. Even the refs will tell you what Berg whistle with. Scar tissue left ticklish. Your squad is baloney. You are a dead man. Gotta see homies. Ha ha, told him. Gun get the cracking up for the right bands. That is right hand to the ha ha emoji. Listen. You better make us proud, boy. But tonight be lesser loud, boy. 357 unnecessarily updated. Put a compressor on a cowboy. Big Sig with the air cooler. Mac just got a new barrel. But the P90 got 2 barrels. They ain't supposed to be even making those. You be funny. Why you be telling us you outside? Because you wear play clothes? Real simple yet still intricate. Berg is Play-Doh. I will say though, bro, a little lit. Yeah. Man, shit, even the little homies might know a little bit. But you running around putting shit on hood, ain't putting your hood on. Like it's cold a little bit. Yeah. The neighborhood will get cold a little bit, just made shit harder for corner stores. Inside, outside, we was carnivores at corner stores. Yeah. Facts. You talking. My little cousin made straight A's. I spent days in the corner. I was on the corner more. Take one baggie, make 4 corners, and go on corner tour. Niggas told me. I've been there. Niggas told me don't even bother. Low key, I am only here for a favor. That makes a whole year I've been doing favors. And y'all got me up here with flavor. Like I ain't on the next floor, like I ain't the reason people next door fear they neighbors. Like I won't laminate something if it mean clearing my paper. 10-4, do you copy? 10-4, do you copy? Bullet. Boiled body, got the skin sore. Time run out, 5 come out. I am helping niggas off the gym floor. 82 months, they like, what you in for? I graduated. Start turning down hobbies and the robberies turned aggravated. Niggas do not want me aggravated 2022. Bible, that simple. Any dummy who do 22. Rifle, that simple. You can fall off, you can make mistakes, but you will not act simple. We are writers, we could pass our pencil because we pass pencil with flying colors. I came in this motherfucker cutting off necks. Told him cut the check and keep letting me go put on movies. Niggas' cable ain't been cut off yet. I favor the razor simply because the razor can cut off less and they get irritated like it got cut off sex. The chamber was offset. Chamber was offset in my last battle, but I'm still proving what I've been doing, I am still doing. Take a good look here. This not so good look here, that is what them pills doing. I had pills moving. I had pills moving. Turns out I couldn't trust the castle. Shit had me sick, but I stayed all natural. I ain't touch a capsule. I just went and got drums. See, I used to think it was if one win, we all won. Thought my circle was all one, but I also thought, matter of fact, scratch that. Gunplay time. This dirt ball dares compare gunplay lines. Like the ladder ain't longer than a rooster Sunday's line. I am not going. I am not going about my brother. If you my brother, I'm going. Striking shit back to back. I am talking #1 bowling. You look like every pistol you have ever owned was either discovered or stolen. I discovered the slogan. I ain't looked back since. Black hoodie, black tent, pour shots till he want the war to stop. Like I ain't for the props. It's like he's never there, but I know he's right there. He's a fucking warlock. He got me double checking after I tell my girl go double check the door locks. He is a warlock. Got him double checking after he tell his girl go double check the door lock. Rattle something, the door stop. Gunplay that one way. If it's going down, I'm with it. Strolling down with it. It's the runway. You keep going. You gonna be somebody someday. Yeah. But until that day arrives, just stay inside. Because if you ain't learned nothing off of me, you learn why, who is on top, and to watch how the fuck you talk to me. Another decent rapper, gunned down. Same one gun with one round. Nigga, that was only one round rap.
I'm in traffic with them plates, bitch, I'm door dashing. I just text your baby mama, I'ma score faster. Bet you praying for a lick from a poor pastor. Boy, we eating over here while your boy fasting. Bitch, I got them bands and nobody knows.
Hey, Migo, bring the bell in, man.
Let's go, little bro.
Please
Y'all know it. Everybody know it. Out of all these whole ass niggas. I said, boy, I am fucked up. Not physically, but mentally, boy, I've been going through some tough stuff. Yesterday was the day I had to bury my baby mama. Nigga, that's tough. And I ain't been conversating with her lately. So tonight, after I kill your ass, nigga, tell her I said what's up. Because a demon trying to contact the angel, a nigga ain't been having much luck. Bitch, my grandma just died. And I've been literally ready to fuck shit up, but she been talking to me. She told me, Migo, that's your dream. Baby, don't fuck this. Headshot! Fuck this nigga so in up. He asked the nigga. Fuck this nigga so in up. He asked the niggas if Migo keep the pistol. Cold word, Nova Scotia. Of course I keep the can. A dub. If U-Town, nigga, I'm Motown. But if I get any temptations, oh mother, it's gonna be a problem. If I get a hit or any smoke he want, then I'm robbing son. See, that was different. I like that. But just to keep up with the scheme, all black Mousebird, boy see it coming till he took a body shot and saw a rib in the sky like Steve, boy. I say till he took a body shot and saw a rib in the sky like Stevie Wonder. Boy, I kill shit for real, G. You was here, my nigga. We still smoking Daddy G by the OZ, P90. I can hit you straight in the numbers like Joe Burrows from the distance. But when I'm on the play, action. I'ma watch this bitch pick up a block like Mixon. See, that was different. Yeah. But just to keep up with the scheme, boy, I'll shoot your ass in the face. Nigga, if you gonna be on the receiving end of a bullet, but I'm gonna be the one the boys chase. But welcome back to the jungle. But welcome back to the jungle. And as you can see, I ain't lying, King, that this Migo's pride rock. Whatever the light touches my kingdom. Nigga, even the dark spots, I'm a lion. I said I'm a lion. And in the food chain, a hyena is nowhere at the top spot. You roll with a clan. Nigga, I own the pride. That should tell you a lot. But these niggas with attitudes, they don't know it ain't gonna be easy for the doctor to bring him back and he going in the ice cube to wait on the spot in the bitch, you better relax. Let's go, son. I say, bitch, I'm heavy-toed. And disrespecting me is playing with fire. Is you nuts? That'll get your honey roasted. Nigga, I'm talking about your wife shot. Kevin, you thought you'd be killing it, but if she runs, she gonna die some from these back shots. I say, and she's a non-believer.
What up?
She thought I was about to let her man come down here and win. Listen, he's not even about to tie Rika. Bo, I gotta. I say, listen, he's not even about to tie Rika. Bo, I got a great idea to shoot your Rika 40 like a hair. I'll blow her shit out if I squeeze it. Or I can hit her with the Draco. Nigga, my bullets the size of minivans, nigga. I'm talking soccer moms. Or just me. Yeah, or with 2 handguns. Got them boxed in like an office job, boy. I can smack. I say I can smack him. But I won't even let the tools spit. Me standing in the picture next to 20. Moral of the story, this nigga's a huge bitch. I can smack it. Yeah. But nigga, I won't even let the tool spit. Me standing in the picture next to 20.
What that mean?
Moral of the story is this nigga's a huge bitch. Funny built Nina. That's a huge bitch. The entry wound small, but the exit wound huge. What time is it? It's demon time! Yes. I said the elites the bomb. But nigga, I'm the detonator, the shooter, lung shots, leave him hospitalized, breathing tubes, respirator. I set him up to get gunned down. Bitch, I'm the orchestrator. I call shots and I make plays. Bitch, I'm the coordinator, but this bitch, Terminator, my niggas ain't gotta worry about stepping. Bitch, I'm an elevator. I can't sit to the fullest extent. Let's go, bullets instead. Bitch, I'm an escalator. This Hellcat was made to set a pussy on fire. It's an incinerator, nigga. Is you crazy? I'm scat Migo. I done rocked more niggas to sleep than I did babies. Where I'm from, nigga, shooting is a habit. Man, I done hit so many of these bitches with the 40. But they said ain't tricking if you got it, nigga. Jail shit. I say jail shit.
Let's go.
Nigga, these bars hurt me, but with a gun, I flush on him. Then flush on him again for courtesy, nigga. So what? What? Nigga, assault rifle. Nigga, the shit that I'm holding got a scope on it. He better hope the Lord hold him, cause what I see is getting sniped, nigga. Terrence Coleman, bitch, I'm about biz. Bitch, I'm about biz. Sonny knew not to bet, cause if he had my money paid in full, I was gonna Uncle Iceberg kids, cause he's a weak hoe. Bitch, you're not no shooter. You wasn't up the score if the game was tied and you was at the free throw. 38. What? 38. I burn this nigga like a CD, then drop him like a mixtape. Bitch, I'm known for heaters. Face shot. He getting left J. Cole album with no features. I say, bitch, it ain't shit for me to get your life took it. I say, bitch, it ain't shit for me to get your life took it. All it takes for me to raise a brow to get you rock. If you smack what I'm cooking. So who cares if you looking like tough, nigga? I'm the hit man, and you
Still get a 3-piece, 2 breasts and thigh, grape soda, coleslaw, and some extra fries. Crazy talk won't do nothing but make the 80s spark. It's not a new gun, 240s and they be blazing off. Who testing slime? Stretching time, no exercise. And even though I call you cat daddy, you ain't got extra lives. I walk around with the shaft coat, and inside it's the